JJMG new amazing 7 animal 3D molds for your next DIY project. Easy to make, impressive and lovely molds for soap. Making soap with molds. Use rubber bands to wrap the chick mold. Cut the soap base into small cubes. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Check periodically until everything dissolves. Be careful of hot liquid. Pour the soap base into molds. Wait about 1 hour for the soap base to cool to room temperature. Now the most satisfying part, demolding. I made a mistake on a tiny dog mold. One of the ears is missing a tip. It's because there's an air bubble that was trapped. Simply using a toothpick to push the air bubble out after pouring soap base will solve this problem. Endless usage for these molds. You can also use it for making iced animals. I'm using hot chocolate powder mixed in water to make frozen hot chocolate iced animals. Please check out our other products. Please search JJMG soap molds on Amazon or go to jjmg.us and click all products.